What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark, back with another video. In this video, we'll be going over one of my secret weapons, alright, that you can use to find the momentum and the trend of the market. If you're new to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Also, click the notification bell so you can be the first to know once I upload videos on how you can make some daily cash. Alright, so before I even jump into what I gotta show you guys, let's take a look at the market, man. All right, this GBPUSD is super low right now. I was expecting to buy right here, to buy back up, all right, to come back up and fulfill. All right, look at this area. All right, let me hit this real quick. Let's get the screen right. Let me zoom out. Guys, look at this. Like, look at it. It's crashing. You know what I'm saying? It's crashing. Now, the crazy part about it is, alright, let's count how many pips this is so far. Bro, this 202 pips. 202 pips. Alright? And the crazy part about it is, I was in this sale earlier. Alright? This was the 29th. I was in the sale, all right, along with EU, but I had told myself I was not going to trade NLP week, all right, but it went 200 pips. I caught some buys, but it wasn't what I wanted. You know what I'm saying? I'm grateful. I'm forever grateful for what the market gave, but from this level, I was thinking, boom, you know what I'm saying? 100 pips plus to the upside. But no, what did it do? I came here and it formed an M. So I actually took profit right here because I seen the M forming. Alright. I seen the M forming. Let's go to the Discord and check it out. Alright, as you see yesterday, I showed them, I said potential M forming on 15-minute chart. Alright, and boom, it actually did form that M. Alright, and it's still dropping. But how it's moving is real weird. Alright, like I said, it's just NLP week. My indicator, let's throw the indicator on real quick. Look, my indicator caught everything. Alright, I can't even lie. Catch this buy back up. Alright, this buy is going to happen. Alright, it's going to happen. This area, move this out the way. The area right here will be filled. Alright, it will be filled. Now, I'm not sure how more of this is going to keep dropping. Alright. It may keep dropping and dropping because again, it's NLP week. Got no control over that. But it will correct itself. And I'm going to be on the upside when it does. Alright. Not looking to sell GP right now. Like I said, I'm just watching it. I'm trading mainly crypto and indices at the moment. Not really trying to put my group in too many bad positions. Alright. So I'm just going to let regular pairs do what they do. But guys, another way you could have caught this, let me take the indicator off. Alright, another way you could have caught this, alright, I'm finna give you guys my secret weapon. Alright, this is also what I use, live chart currency strength meter. Alright, so look, the first pair is GBPUSD. Alright, GBP is the first pair, USD is the second pair. So they are competing. Is one currency versus the next currency. So if GBPUSD only got one little red bar, USD got a full bar, alright, that means USD has more strength than GBPUSD. So in that case, that's why it's selling, alright, because the first pair is losing to the second pair. So GBPUSD is losing to USD, so it's dropping, alright. This right here, secret weapon that I like to use, and I'm giving it to you guys so y'all can use this, man. Y'all can use this. Let's go to USD, NZD USD. All right, let's go to NZD USD and let's check that out. All right, NZD USD is also selling, guys. Cause why? NZD, the first pair, is weaker than USD. So guess what? You got the drop. Let's go look at USD CAD. All right, USD CAD. So USD is stronger than CAD right now, the Canadian dollar. All right. So it's buying. The first pair is winning versus the second pair. So I'm gonna put this link in the description box. So what I'm gonna do is put this link in the description box. You can go check it out for yourself. Updates on its own. You don't have to do nothing. I like to refresh the page because it's live. But if you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Other than that,